Hi, I'm Chelsey with Sew and Glow Quilting, and today I'm going to just talk about some of the things I absolutely love about my APQS Millie, the handles. So you might ask yourself, okay, why are you making a whole entire blog video about handles? Well, the handles are extremely important, and it's definitely something you should take into consideration when you are looking at long arm machines, because I don't have a computer. So everything I do on this machine is by my own power with my hands. Okay. So sometimes I might need this guy out of the way. Sometimes I might need it here. And the really great thing is I can move it around almost any position. I can get it out of the way. I can have it close to my face. I can have it down. And the really amazing thing is all of the controls are on every single handle. So I have controls on the left and the right, and the left and the right, on the front and the back. And it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, because you can find a way to get comfortable no matter what. Now let's take a look at the handles on the back. So here's a quick look at the controls. As you can see, I have my needle up and down button and my start and stop button on both sides, which is so handy. And you can see it's got this really great squishy material here that makes it very comfortable to grip. Obviously, you don't want to have an iron grip, but just a really light grip. It just feels great. And here's the front of my machine. As you can see, I have my needle up and down button and my start and stop button on both sides. All right, now as you can see, I have a few more adjustments on the front than I did on the back because I spent a lot of time up here. So we have this really great lever here where I can loosen and tighten it, and it actually makes it really easy for me to move this handle around. And you might like it up, you might like it down. It really just depends on the kind of quilting you're going to be doing, but then you can tighten it and keep it in place. Now it's also very easy for me to go up and down here or up and down here. And I really feel like that mobility is completely invaluable because, you know, sometimes I need the handles to be completely up if I'm going to be doing pantographs on the back. Sometimes I want it kind of close to me if I'm going to be doing really detailed work like these feathers. And then I want my other handle to be out of my way because I don't want to bump it, because I do a lot of really detailed work and I don't want this thing getting in my way. But it's really easy also to bring it back. And so nothing that you do is permanent, but it is so great because it's absolutely flexible. And it might seem like one of the simplest things, but honestly, this kind of handle system is one of my favorite things about this long arm. So if you already have an APQS long arm and didn't know about all the things your handles can do, I hope this is helpful. If you're searching for the perfect long arm and you're looking at a couple different brands, I hope this can maybe sway you, because I also looked at a lot. I looked at all of the brands. I touched them all. I used them all. And ultimately, I did stick with the APQS, and I am so glad that I made that decision because I absolutely love this machine. And just the tiny, simple, thoughtful things they do just with the handles show you how much care they put in the rest of the machine. All right, well, it's time for me to get back to stitching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.